let's make a cloud in a bottle.
Okay.
So we're going to talk about and use all your terms, the high pressure and low pressure, and see if we can kind of bring some meaning to
condensation,
it.
Evaporation.
For this, we're going to use something a little bit different. This is a little different version. I'm using a little bit of rubbing alcohol in this, and so just if you don't want to use rubbing alcohol, there's other methods that we've kind of detailed on the website, but this gives us some of the best evaporation. So here's what we're going to do. In order for a cloud to form, here I am telling the meteorologist, in order for a cloud to form, you've got to have evaporation, and that evaporation has to then result in condensation. So what we're going to do is introduce high pressure here. So this is
and
the
the one thing
high-pressure
we
device.
want to point out to folks is there's evaporation going on right now, right?
And the reason I picked
it's
rubbing
all
alcohol is just to make it faster for us.
Right.
So here is the magic pump. So look at this. I've taken a regular foot pump, and then I just added this little stopper to the very end of it. So that's what it looks like here is a little stopper, kind of goes onto the end of it right here. This is going to secure this point. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We'll see if we can do this together. You got to hold it in place, as you know. All right. So let's give it like 30 pumps. So you're just kind of pumping high pressure into it. So when Marty says there's a high pressure front, I can actually feel it starting to get a little bit warmer. We're pumping all those molecules inside. All right. So I think we're pretty good here. You ready? Let's do it again. Ready? Here we go.
Ooh,
3,
boy, that's pretty good.
2, 1. Pop it. Bam! Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
And there is your cloud in a bottle. Isn't that just amazing?
There's our condensation.
It is. And so evaporation and then condensation, and I would think that this is almost like a morning fog. So watch this. If you look right in the bottle, and our camera is right on the bottle, watch what happens when we continue to pump. So we go from an area of low pressure to higher pressure. Stay right there on that shot, because I'm going to pump it up and see whether or not I can get it to give you a really, really good cloud. We go from high pressure and immediately to low pressure. Watch. Bam! Isn't that pretty? And there is your cloud in a bottle.
Oh, I like that.
Isn't that fun?